Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In our continuation of our month-long series on Linux, in this video we're going to look at how you can secure your Linux server. Security is paramount in today's world and securing your server is an ongoing task. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. Securing Linux servers is crucial due to their reliability and flexibility. Focus on access controls, software updates, and network security to enhance server resilience and protect data. Proper configuration and proactive measures are needed to protect data, ensure availability, and prevent unauthorized access. This guide covers best practices for securing your Linux server. Focus areas include access controls, software updates, and network security. Implementing these measures will enhance your server's resilience against threats. Regularly updating your server is crucial to prevent security vulnerabilities. Use package managers like app, yum, or DNF to install updates. Enable automatic updates for critical patches and subscribe to your distribution security mailing list. Enabling automatic updates is a good place to really concentrate on for critical patches, and also subscribing to your distribution security mailing list to stay informed is another good step so that you can stay abreast of any advanced threats or notices of advanced threats that are being publicized. Regularly updating your server is crucial to prevent vulnerabilities. Linux distributions often release updates to patch these flaws, so be on the update for those as well. To enhance SSH security, disable password-based login and use key-based authentication. Enforce strong passwords for all user accounts. Implement two-factor authentication using tools like Google Authenticator or Duo. To enhance security, create separate user accounts for each individual. Apply the principle of least privilege by granting only necessary permissions, and disable root account login via SSH using sudo for administrative tasks. To enhance SSH security, you can also change the default port from 22 to a non-standard port. You can use firewalls to restrict access to IP-specific addresses and enable logging to monitor login attempts. To ensure optimal firewall configuration, use tools like UFW or IP tables to define rules. Block unused ports, allow only necessary services, and enable logging to track suspicious activity. To enable system security, install IDS like fail2ban or tripwire, and use antivirus software such as ClamAV, and conduct regular security audits with tools like Linus. To ensure data security, use SSL TLS certificates for web communications, encrypt sensitive files with tools like GPG or LUKS, and enable disk encryption for the entire server, especially on physical servers. To manage logs effectively, use tools like LogWatch or Graylog. Set up alerts for unusual activity or login attempts, and regularly review the system logs for anomalies. To enhance system security, disable unused services using system control or check config, uninstall unnecessary software packages, and conduct a service audit to identify and remove unnecessary applications. Automate your backups using tools such as rsync or Borg backup. Store these backups in a secure off-site location. Regularly test your backups to ensure data integrity. In summary, securing your Linux server involves keeping the system updated, limiting access, hardening configurations, and monitoring activities. Consistency in these practices is crucial to stay ahead of threats and ensure the server security and reliability. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you some good ideas for securing your Linux system. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.